Okay, this is my computer. This is an out of order, and then my motherboard. How to assemble a primary computer? Assembling machine, motherboard, RAM, video card, internet card, and audio card. How about my tool? This is my CPU processor on how to assemble a computer. Intel Pentium. How to do this? Rotate the angle. Press and install the Intel Pentium. CPU processor is another original. And then press lock. It's so easy to install. CPU RAM with 16 MB RAM. Number 1. This is a type of EDO RAM. There are two 16 MB plus, then a 32 MB RAM. Okay. There is EDO RAM. Then my video card is an PCI slot. Video card is type of PCI. Insert to install. My audio card is ISA slot. This is my ISA bridge, ISA teeth. Audio card, then installment to ISA bridge, installment. Easy it's to install. That is all. My CPU, and then to press open. My power supply, my casing in the another plan to install, and then done. Then I will remove this CD writer to encase in my screw, and then remove another one.